Inhale deeply, exhaling your fears. Imagine them leaving your body, dissipating into the ether. The weight of the world, the stress, the worry, all are but fleeting moments in the grand scheme of life. Now picture a benevolent force, a higher power, a guiding light. This is God. Now surrender your burdens, release your worries, your doubts, your fears. Remember, you are not alone in your journey. God is with you, guiding you, supporting you, loving you. 1 Peter 5:7 says, "Give all your worries and cares to God, for He cares about you. Whisper your fears into the wind, let them be carried away to the heavens. Your worries are not yours to bear alone. Jesus has your back. Breathe in peace, breathe out stress. You are enveloped in divine love, a sanctuary from the chaos of life. Rest easy knowing that the God of the universe is taking care of everything. He's handling your worries, your stress, your fears." Exhale, and in doing so, release any remaining tension. And remember, you are loved, you are supported, you are divinely guided. This is your moment of peace, your safe haven. Carry this tranquility with you as you navigate the ebb and flow of life. Exhale and let go. Jesus has got you. Peace be with you now and always. Jesus said in John 14:27, "Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not be afraid." This is your sanctuary, your moment of peace. Embrace it, cherish it, and let Jesus handle the rest.